Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever been in a situation where your phone suddenly says, "Storage full," right when you're trying to click an important photo or download an app? It's annoying, right? You quickly start checking what's filling up the space: old videos, unused apps, or hidden files you forgot about. The same thing can happen with your web hosting account. If you don't regularly check your disk usage or bandwidth, one day you might get a warning from your hosting provider. Storage is full, please free up some space. Or worse, your website might slow down or stop working just when visitors are coming in. But here's the good part. If you're hosting your website with YouStable, you get an easy-to-use cPanel where you can monitor your disk space, bandwidth usage, and everything else, so your website stays fast, smooth, and problem-free. Plus, with YouStable's affordable plans and great support, managing your hosting is as simple as cleaning up your phone storage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check the disk usage of directories and monitor bandwidth usage. If you are receiving a disk space usage warning or a write failed message and want to know which directory or folder is using larger space, watch this tutorial and see how you can check usages. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Let's check the disk usage. Go to the Files section and click the disk usage. Here you can check disk usage by files in the home directory, hidden subdirectory, and MySQL. Total disk usage is also mentioned here. Here you can arrange your directories as per their disk usage. You can also click on their name and further see the CIDK usage by individual files and folders. Now, let's check the bandwidth usage. Go back to the home page. Scroll down to the metrics section and click bandwidth. Here you can see the monthly bandwidth usage of your domain. In case you need more disk space and bandwidth, ask your hosting provider to send a quotation. Thank you for watching.